Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the trade that I took on Monday on ES, and also I'm going to talk about the Friday. I lost one trade, and I also take another trade where I got break even. So I'm going to talk about these two trades too. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So the first one, finally out of the drawdown. Right here, I'm up around $50. For this trade, right here, $489 in profit within 1 hour. So this was a great, this was a really great trade. Like there were so many A plus confluences and everything. And this right here, the break even trade, and this one is the losing trade right here on Friday. Damn, bro, it's like all fucking red. Like this is my PNL calendar as of for now. So yeah, let's see the trade. So the first one I'm gonna talk about the Monday one first. And as for the draws on liquidity, um, we're gonna mark out the highs and the lows. So these were the highs. There wasn't really any lows or anything. So on the 1 hour, we marked out all of the lows and all of the highs too. And also on the 1 hour, we were really bullish. We broke structure to the upside and we were going to the upside. So that's really a great confluence. Not confluence, but yeah. Um, then this is the London low, this is the London high, and we were making a relative equal high on the 5 minute. So that's a super drawn liquidity. What the fuck? There's fucking water splashes on my t-shirt. I don't mind that. Um, And also in this video, if you guys, especially if you guys trade futures, this is gonna be helpful so much. Like this, as I said in the previous video, is the about the manipulation leg during NY Open. Like look at this on NQ. We had this on NQ. Um, So I marked out all of this. I deleted them, but I during pre-market I marked out all of them. These are the low resistance liquidity or trend line liquidity or internal liquidity, whatever you wanna say. It's they are all the same. Um, so I marked out all of them, and NY opens, and it just fucking take all of them out, and then it continues going towards the highs. So that was a really great helpful, like this was really helpful for me. Like in the previous month when I was like trading on the eval, I noticed this thing and it was really helpful. It was really helpful for me. So I waited for a manipulation leg and then I trade the continuation. And as for the trade, we made SMT with NQ because NQ took out this London low. ES didn't, so we were making this bullish SMT, and then the second one was this breakup structure, and then we came down into this breakup block and also the order block. So it was like there were four confluences that backed up my bias, and then we're gonna go into 1 minute and wait for a breakup structure. And we also had news. So I waited for the news and then I entered somewhere around here. We broke structure right here. My stop were below this 5 minute fair value gap. Um, and my targets were somewhere around here, the 30 minute fair value gap. Right here. My main target was these highs, like these higher time frame highs. But yeah, I didn't really touch this. After it came down again, then it like took out all of this. So yeah, uh, I entered with 5 contracts and 5 micro contracts. I was risking around 250, I got $550 somewhere around here. So I took out four contracts and left one runner for these highs, but it came down and it took me out of like break even. So I profited around 489 right here. This was a really great trade, like literally. I had the fucking recording of this, like live, but I fucking accidentally deleted that recording. So that's unfortunate. So yeah, this was the first trade, and let's talk about the second one on the Friday one. That was fucking stupid of me. Like literally on Friday, I was fucking geeking, bro. Um, this was a fucking sniper ass entry. Like, look at this, bro. Whatever, it is what it is. So the first trade, I took long. My bias for the day was to just short. And I noticed one more thing that my bias is like on the fucking point. Like every fucking time, every fucking single day. Like literally. Um, if my bias is to just short, it gonna just come down. Like so it's 90% of the time my bias is correct. So yeah, that's really stupid of me to like take longs, but it is part of the game. So yeah, I took the long somewhere around here. I'm not gonna like show you guys that trade because I don't have the screenshot. Um, but the break even trade, which could have gotten me out of the drawdown that day, and it could have recovered all of this loss. I got out of drawdown. Um, I got out break even. Sorry. So after a macro, it inverses this fair value gap, and it also broke structure to the downside. So two confluences, and also we made SMT with ES. So number three confluence. Then it retraced back into this order block and also breakout block. So it's like five confluence, and then it retraces back into this fair value gap. So that's number six confluence. So it was super A plus setup for me. I don't know why did I exited that manually? But yeah. So I entered off of this retracement. I waited for a 1 minute break of structure and I entered right here. So I was risking around $160 with the stop loss. It broke below this, so I trailed my stop loss to this fair value gap right here, the middle of this fair value gap right here. So from $160 risk to around $20 risk. So it wasn't really much. I could have let it ride. It didn't really matter. Like if it had like hit my stop loss, it didn't matter. I was risking around 20. So it started ranging at it never came back to my stop loss, and I got out of the trade right here, maybe this somewhere around here with $5 in the bank, with a $5 in the bank, and after like two fucking minutes. Yeah, I'm not gonna cry about it. It is what it is. I got out of the drawdown anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm finally out of the drawdown though. So that's the one thing. And I followed my plan and everything. I followed my bias. I trusted my bias. So yeah, I'm finally out of the drawdown, and that's pretty much it. It was a short video for the trade recap. Like guys, I wanna make some live trading video. Uh, it will be really fun to make a live trading video. Um, Maybe next month. Maybe I can make a live trading video next month because I'm shifting to another apartment. So it will be the new background and everything. So yeah, let's see if I can make a live trading video next month. But for now, it gonna be like this, like trade recap. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you guys have learned about this manipulation. You guys can see it for yourself, and just adapt, like adapt with the market, and just take whatever the market is giving to you, and that's what it is. Don't just stick to your strategy and shit. Like I'm not saying that just don't follow your rules and shit. Like no, just follow your rules and just adapt with the market and take whatever the market is giving to you. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And make sure to join the Discord server, guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description and also in the comment section. So please join the Discord server and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the Instagram ID somewhere around here. You can follow me on Twitter too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It's gonna motivate me as a creator. And yeah, if you guys got any questions or anything, just comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.